Welcome to SPSPM's Renuka High School, Satara Parisar, Aurangabad. Myself, Mahajan RB, Assistant Teacher of English. Today we are going to learn topic Live English Online Shopping of Standard 9. In this section we are going to take a look at Live English Online Shopping. Live English Online Shopping. Read the following conversation between two cousins. Tejaswini. Hi Santosh, what are you thinking about? Santosh said, Hi Teju. Next week's Didi's birthday. We want to give her a surprise gift. Tejaswini. Great idea. What is your surprise gift? Santosh said, Well, we don't have any big shops here. There is little to choose from, nothing new or surprising. Tejaswini said, So why don't you try online shopping? Santosh says, Is it safe? Tejaswini says, Yes, it is. If we take proper care, it is one of the most convenient ways of shopping. Plus, you will get so much variety. Santosh says, True, but I don't know how to do it. Tejaswini says, It's okay. I will show you. Do you have an internet connection? Santosh says, Yes. Tejaswini said, That's good then. We can do it in 5 easy steps. Let's start. Online shopping in 5 easy steps. Sign up, register, sign up and create your account. Choose, browse and select the product of your choice from the given categories. Add to cart, add your product to the cart. Pay the amount via online banking, debit or pay cash on delivery. And last one is take delivery. Check your product when it is delivered to you. C. Use the website www.chalashikuya.com to try your hand at a practical mock trial of online shopping. Look at the web page and tell the name of the website, and the name of the website is www.chalashikuya.com. The name, what we can buy there. We can buy their books, educational, then stationery or books, educational, toys, stationery, e-learning, and what the offer on poster colors. 50% off or free some poster colors. How to use this website? If I want to buy a storybook on this website, where can I find it? In the categories on the left, in the option under books, you will find storybooks. Click that option. Second, I want a CD of the dictionary. Go to e-learning. Under that, click the dictionary option. Third, where can I look for books in the Hindi language? Answer, you can go to the languages option on the left and tick the box before Hindi. Fourth, how can I find what discounts are available? Under the filters on left, you will find discounts. Fifth, are there any specific deals offers on specific days? There is a CSY Chalashikuya deal. You can click on it and find out the deal of the day. 6. Can I purchase only one thing at a time? No. You can buy many things at a time. Select whatever you want and add to the cart and then browse again for another product. 7. When will my order be delivered? Maximum in 10 working days. You can also track your order by clicking the icon track order. 8. There is one icon gift coupons. What does it mean? You can give a gift coupon to your friend by using this icon and she can purchase the product of his or her choice with the help of it. 9. Is this site only for purchasing? No, you can also sell your old books and other educational things here. 10. How can I find out where the product is good for or not? You can see the ratings and reviews of users below each product. Suppose one of your parents or an older relative want to know about online shopping and you are explaining how to do it, right? A conversation between you and your parent or relative about it. Relative says, "What is online shopping?" Then I said, "Online shopping is the activity or action of buying products or services over the internet." Relative, which devices are used for online shopping? I. It can be done by computer with internet connection or mobile phone with the internet data. Relative. If I have computer or mobile, can I buy anything online? I. No. You will need a debit or credit card for payment against shopping. You will also need a secure password and an email address. Relative, how can I buy a product using online shopping? I said, at first you should register yourself on the portal. Then after logging to the portal, you should choose your product from product list. Then click on add to cart. After placing order of the product, you should pay the cost of the product by debit or credit card. After confirming your payment of your product will be delivered of your address. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of online shopping and fill the following table. Advantages: time saving, discount or lower price, get details of product, comparison of various brands, delivery at home. Disadvantages: delay in delivery, lack of touch and feel of product, lack of interactivity with seller, fraud portals of online shopping, lack of shopping experience. Write a paragraph on online shopping using the point in the above table. Online shopping. Today there is a new trend is established of shopping, that is online shopping. There are many advantages of online shopping like time saving, discount of lower price of product. You can compare the product of various brands. You can get details of product and get delivery at home. But there are some disadvantages of online shopping like delayed in delivery, lack of touch and feel of product, lack of interactivity with seller. There are some fraud portals of online shopping. There is lack of shopping experience also. Thank you. Next lecture, lecture 6, topic name 1.3. Hope is the thing with feathers. Thank you.